My show reviews, a list of shows that I love watching by Utter. I like Sea of Love on Netflix because the main characters are Bruda the whale, Bobby the shark, Wayu the stingray, and Puri the seahorse. With Miss Aim the octopus, it is about friendship and happiness. I like Creature Cases on Netflix. This is a story about Sam and Kit, who are detectives who solve mysteries about the nature and creatures from various destination biomes. I have learned about animals such as snapping turtles and wombats, which are the only creature that have cube-shaped poo. I like Duggee. It's a show about learning, and the main characters are Duggee the lovable dog, Nori the mouse, Happy the crocodile, Tag the rhino, Betty the octopus, and Rolly the hippo. They get badges for all lessons they have learned, such as Nature Badge, Key Badge, and Harvest Badge. I like Bluey on Disney Plus. This is a show about love, and the main characters are Chili, Bluey, and Bingo's mom, Bluey, Bingo, Bandit, Bluey and Bingo's dad, and many more. My favorite character is Bingo. It's a very funny show, and my favorite episode is Veranda Santa. I like Puffin Rock on Netflix. It's a show about love between Mama Puffin, Papa Puffin, and Oona the kid and Baba, her little brother. They find new ways to do things and have fun with friends on the Puffin Rock Island. I like Owie TV on YouTube. This show teaches me how to skip count by big numbers such as 163. Always building these in Minecraft, and Owie wished me happy birthday on skip counting by 158 and showed my Minecraft number block creations. I like Stinky and Dirty show on Amazon. Stinky is the garbage truck and Dirty is the loader or digger. Both of them call each other funny names and solve problems. When Dirty is thinking, Stinky keeps saying, I know what you are doing. You're thinking, let me help, let me help. I like Paw Patrol because this is an amazing show about rescuing by Ryder and all the pups were Marshall, Chase, Rubble, Zuma, Rocky, and Sky. The best thing I like about this show is Marshall's fire truck, Zuma's boat, and Sky's helicopter. The funniest thing is Marshall trips everyone when he is going into the building all the time. I like Peppa Pig because it's about Peppa Pig playing and having fun with her friends, parents, and grandparents. I like it because George is so funny and always tries to get Mr. Dinosaur with him. And the show is so amazing. I like Numberblocks because the characters in Numberblocks are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and many more. You can learn how to count, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and patterns and numbers that make lots and lots of rectangles, prime numbers, and many more. Some funny songs like Numberblocks! Reviewer Utterf, script Utterf, edited by Utterf's Papa, template by Jenemi. Thank you for watching. Watch out for the next video on this channel. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.